Welcome to Bentonville, Arkansas, where the downtown area is transformed into a vibrant canvas of art through its stunning wall murals. These eye-catching murals showcase the diversity, creativity, and community spirit that make Bentonville truly special. Walking through the streets, you'll discover an array of stunning artwork, each mural telling a unique story. From bold brushstrokes to intricate details, these murals captivate your imagination and bring life to the city's walls. Local artists and talented individuals from around the world have contributed their talents to create these masterpieces. The ever-changing collection of murals ensures there's always something new to discover with each visit. Each piece reflects the rich history, culture, and natural beauty of Bentonville, creating a visual tapestry of its soul. As you explore, you'll find murals that celebrate the region's lush landscapes, its artistic diversity, and its commitment to sustainability. Whether you're a seasoned art enthusiast or simply appreciate visual beauty, Bentonville's downtown wall murals offer an unforgettable experience. So, grab your camera, take a stroll, and immerse yourself in the beauty of Bentonville's vibrant canvas. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures in Bentonville and beyond.